Yummy. Then, stir-fry sinangag with cheddar cheese, smoked bacon. Happy cooking! In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Enjoy! My beloved mom's cookbook. Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video available worldwide. At Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED and MSED websites, JuanitaGutierrez.com, JuanitaGutierrez, BSED and MSED.com, Amazon and all bookstores near you. This is so good. Then, complete food. Sinangag. Yummy, yes. Come on and eat. You're all invited my table. This is so good. But I've shown you in the previous video how to cook. I would like to thank our, let me turn off the stove. I would like to thank, love, and bless our beloved I am present in our heartbeats, all humanity's heartbeats, my heartbeats, your heartbeats, and all humanity's heartbeats, so all one children of one source. And I would like to thank my beloved parents, my beloved sisters, and their own families, and all of you, my fellow divine beings, followers, subscribers, those who like, share, comments, and subscribe. Please subscribe if you have not already done so, and I appreciate you all deep in my heart. This is for you and me and all of us. Happy cooking. Enjoy. Yeah.